If you're seeing this message when using Discord and you want to get past through that, there's a pretty simple solution to that problem. First, you have to open your web browser, whatever you're using. I'm using Chrome, for example. Just open discord.com and you need to go in here and select Open Discord in your browser. Once you logged in into your profile, then you want to go and open a new tab right there. And in the search bar of Google, you want to type Chrome Web Store, like that. Then select the first result, which would be the chromewebstore.google.com. Left click on it. In here, in the middle top section of the screen, you want to type Buster, which is extension. It should be this one. Select it. And then you can select Add to Chrome and then start using it. And this Buster extension Chrome will prevent you from having this same error message. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.